So we're starting a new series at Joiner World on solar inverter systems, and we're going to be simulating some of the issues that typically happen in standard solar inverter sites. Now, because of the fact that electric current is actually very silent, a lot of engineers and a lot of people actually handle solar inverter systems anyhow. Like if it was a generator that was making a lot of noise, now people will be careful because they know the rotational motion can cause some form of havoc. But because it's solar inverter and everything is just silent, you tend to use substandard materials and feel like you can get away with it. And that's what we are going to be doing with this setup. I have a 6 kV solar inverter system here with a 5 kWh lithium battery with a full breaker protection system. Now, what we're going to be doing is this. You can see these cables we have connecting the inverter to the battery. These are some of the most important cables because they are the ones that actually convey the largest amount of current. And current, especially DC current, is powerful. Now, I've held cable before, and based on DC current that is flowing through it, I could see the cable was vibrating, so I could actually feel the current. And that's what we're going to do. In some of the videos we're going to be shooting, we'll change this to a very tiny cable, and you're going to be seeing how the temperature actually goes from 0 to 100. We're going to be using this particular meter. Then here we're going to be setting fire here, and we'll see how this particular fire extinguisher reacts to the fire and helps extinguish the fire. Then we're also going to be changing making some other changes to the inverter that puts the setup in a little bit of danger, and we'll see how the system reacts to it. And the point of this video is to enable you to see some of the mistakes that can be done on a project site. It's not about how beautiful it is and surface pipes covering everything. If proper materials are not used, no matter how neat your solar inverter system is, to end up in fire outbreak. And so the point of this video is to enable you to avoid some of the pitfalls that happen on solar inverter installation sites. I wish you a very lovely day. Bye.